acid. And it's not the really cool stuff. This is only 20%. No big deal. Okay? They won't let me play with the good stuff. Okay? Now I've got some zinc. Now zinc is a malleable metal. You might see it sometimes in your nickels. And I'm going to put the zinc in the hydrochloric acid. And you're going to start seeing a reaction happen. Hopefully we'll get enough of a reaction. You see all that reaction? Now, you don't need to see what's going on here, because you can see that. You don't need that on the camera. See, the zinc and the chlorine of the hydrochloric acid, they like each other a lot better than the hydrogen and the chlorine like each other. So they join together, but to do that, they have to get rid of the hydrogen, the gassy boys. Okay, I'd have to get rid of, see, smell really bad. Right? You don't want to smell? If you smell, here's a little chemistry tip. Kids, never just stick your nose over something and smell it. That is incorrect. You will get an F in chemistry. You do this. You waft it towards your nose. Okay? I'm sure I'm going to see a bunch of kids tonight after they go to bed. All right, so we've got some hydrogen gas in there. We've got a little bit left over, but that's okay. This amount of hydrogen mixed in with our oxygen is not going to make things go boom, thankfully. So this is hydrogen gas in here. I'm going to tape it to this table. And young lady, we're going to do a little experiment because we're going to make water. To make water, what do you need? You need hydrogen and oxygen. So there's our hydrogen. Where's our oxygen going to come from? The atmosphere. Now, how are we going to make these two things mix? Come over here. This is a tool. Scientifically, it's called a boomstick. Okay? So hold that. Hold that. Now we're going to practice, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to place this right under there. See, that's a candle. Okay? You place it right there. You are not going to do this. You know why? That's going to be on fire! That. Okay? Now I'm going to be back here where it's safe. Because that's going to be on fire! Next to hydrogen. I'm going to light it. Get ready. This is a neat little party trick, kids. Wait. Go ahead. Seriously, go ahead. Touch the flame to the balloon. Go ahead. Let's see if she made water in the balloon. Okay, let's see.
If the balloon's still there.
You gotta have a little bit of water vapor, a little bit of moisture right there. Now, it's not gonna make it rain here. Remember, gas to liquid? Remember, liquid to gas? They take up like 500 times more space. You go from gas to liquid, it takes up 500 times less space. So there was not a whole room full of hydrogen in here, which you guys would have hated, by the way. So it was just a little bit of water, so you made water. Excellent job. Your fear is perfect.